today is to get this house livable so the clients can come and spend the weekend here. We've got rugs coming, we've got furniture coming, we've got window treatments coming. But you need to see what the state of this is right now. I mean, seriously? Are you kidding me? Oh, this hole, that's a broken ankle for somebody. It's just one of those things where you just realize you've got a job to do and you gotta get it done. Again, sorry, we're gonna move this, but like cans of paint, really? We're supposed to be installing? So what I think is we just put a lot of stuff in the bathrooms and the closets, but the closets don't have doorknobs.
Do we need to start unpacking in the bathroom?
Yeah.
We're not going to be touching
No. What we've got to do now is just get rid of stuff to make space so we can actually put a rug down and start to set up the room. I mean, yuck, look what's in this thing. All this powder, it's grout. I need to like Swiffer in here, but now I can't get in because of the bed. This is gonna be funny. Ah! Oh! Okay. Oh my God. No matter how good a construction crew is, when they're building and you're trying to install final rooms with rugs and linens and fabrics and stuff like that, it's a real challenge because it just can make a total mess. We're just trying to get it as clean as we possibly can. Now I'm gonna go get the layouts. We'll start installing rooms. I can give you where the rugs are actually gonna be positioned. Breakfast, placing rugs, sweeping. It's how every installation day should start. So this is the 8-6. I think I'm gonna cheat it over this way a little bit. I think if we start it on that side and then we roll it out. Okay, cool. It's not as high as that other one.
Let's take it back, flip it.
Okay, and then try it, okay. Ah! I'll measure from the top step that's closest to this sort of bend under the ceiling. Here. All right, another king bed, made it up the skinny stairwell. You know, it's really important when you do paint a wall an accent color. It has so much more pigment in it that it scratches and nicks very, very easily. So I like to use a matte finish, but you always want to put something up. If something's going to be touching the wall, you want to protect it. It'll basically just come over to like 1.5 inches. It's a damn heavy bed. Oh my God. Yeah, perfect. So every now and then, you have your plan, but some furniture ends up in a room it's not supposed to end up, so you end up moving it twice. Never a good idea. I'm gonna have you move the bed back like this much. Sorry. It's getting late in the day. Now is the time where everybody kicks in. We've got to really buckle down and get this thing done, or we're gonna be here at 10 o'clock tonight. But I'm loving how this room looks. I love the texture and the wood of this headboard. And also, don't be afraid to be super dramatic with big artwork over a bed. I think it's fun and it just really, really makes such a style statement. You'll notice these lamps are white, and that's by design. I love the accent wall, but when you have an accent wall, it's always a good idea to do a lamp that is a high contrast that's gonna be in front of it. It really, really shows up and pops. So I'm finally finished with one of the guest rooms for my client here in Southampton. This room was sort of supposed to have a coastal masculine feel. The bed is a wonderful wood, rich texture. I also really love the bedding. It's kind of an abstract, loose, nautical water feel, but I think it really works for the space because the colors are fantastic. I love the rug as well. It's got that sort of slate gray and blue happening, and I know my client's going to be super happy with the space when they see it. We are ready for these rugs. obviously this is the length. Ay, ay, ay. We're sort of burning daylight here. This is taking a lot longer than we thought.